All right, here we are back under the back end of the GTO. We're gonna start making our hard lines. Because we didn't like the ones we had because we kind of modified ones from the kit and they were for drum brakes. So we're gonna take care of that. And Wick got us a diff vent Chingaderia. So we're just gonna put that baby in for right now. Woo! Yeah, these are nice. All right, on to making hard lines. All right, starting to make my hard line. Got it marked. I just want to come off, do a 90, and then I'm gonna do another 90. I'm gonna go across the axle tube, and we'll come up here, and we will ramp ourselves up and in, which that's gonna be a real fun one up there, but we'll F with it when we get to it. I go 90 and immediately like 45 to a 90. That might involve a little hand bending. Still handy. Coming along with my hard line. Go right like that. Put a bend there. Then I got a bend there, and then bend one more. I think we's gonna be looking good. One custom built brake line. Boom. Check. Time to do the other side, Wicky.
Do it, man.
That one turned out good.
Got perfection going on that.
I think that's one of the best ones I've ever made. All right, got our passenger side line perfecto. Working on our driver's side. Lunch break first. All right, we're coming along. Had a close call here, but we got it resolved. Marked up here. We'll come up and over. And then do our little kink. But we're gonna be good. All right, look at that. We got brake lines plumbed. GM ain't got shit on me. Neither does inline tube, because they don't make this. You'd think somebody would make it, you know. 12 bolt for an A body with Willwoods, absolute common fucking setup. That's okay, we made our own. And for $500, I'll make you your own too.
Yeah.
Fuck it.